Hello, my name is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and I'd like to show you how I mark ankle breakers, low spots in people's property. What I typically do is, if I can, I put an irrigation flag on either side of the hole. Here, I'll give you a little close-up of this. There it is. And then the very, very low section, you can see how deep that little hole is. And there was turf growing over it, but it was just basically a hole. Turf growing over a hole. So if you stepped on this, you would fall right on through and break your ankle or a knee or something like that. So I marked this for the client, and therefore the client won't get hurt, and his friends won't get hurt either when they come over to visit. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Thank you. Bye-bye.